Posible bang magkaroon tayo ng 5 testimonials in 5 days kahit wala pa tayong client? In this video, I'm gonna share with you a step-by-step strategy kung paano kayo makakuha ng 5 testimonials in 5 days para may mapakita na kayo sa mga clients ninyo even if you're just starting out at wala pa kayong experience as a Facebook ads freelancer. Alright, so in this video, I'm just gonna be sharing with you a simple strategy called 5 testimonials in 5 days. Okay, so what if wala pa tayong testimonials, wala tayong social proof, and gusto nating makakuha ng client, di ba? What if naghanap si client ng testimonials, and yun nga, wala tayong mapakita. So, in this video, I'm just going to be sharing with you the strategy kung paano tayo makakakuha ng 5 testimonials in just 5 days. Okay? So, let's begin. So, yung 5 testimonials in 5 days, meron siyang 3 parts. Okay? Part number 1 is yung win-win offer. Part 2 is the coaching call. And part 3 is asking for the testimonial. So, simula muna tayo dito sa first part. So, ano may win-win offer and bakit natin siya kailangan gawin? So, guys, we need to create a win-win offer for our audience. So, for example, meron na tayong Facebook group or maybe may Facebook page tayo, may email list tayo, or maybe personal account lang gamit natin. Okay? May mga friends na tayo sa personal account natin or meron tayong audience na nagfo-follow sa atin. Okay? So, in order for this strategy to work, kung yun nga, medyo kailangan meron ka ng audience, okay? Hindi kailangan malaki, okay? I'm not saying na kailangan nyo ng thousands of people in your audience or in your FB account, email list nyo, kailangan thousands. Kahit small group lang, pero yun nga, very engaged sila, okay na. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin is o-offeran natin yung audience natin ng win-win offer in exchange for a testimonial. Okay? So, ganito yan, guys. So, kaya siya win-win kasi panalo tayo because makakakuha tayong testimonial. Sila rin panalo kasi we're gonna be offering them a free coaching call or free strategy session. Okay? So, ano ba ang way para makakuha tayo ng mga tao na mag-avail ng offer natin? Okay? So, for example, gusto mong, kunyari, Facebook ads nga yung ano natin, di ba? Yung service natin. You can actually offer them, ito, you can try this, no? A free trial. Okay? Or, kung gusto ninyo, just free consultations over the phone. Okay? So for example, may mga business owners kayong nasa audience niyo, you can either give them a free trial or a free consultation call. Okay? Kung gusto niyo mabilis na makakuha ng video testimonials agad, consultation calls will do. Okay? So, baba tayo. So, this is an example of a post na pwede nyo ilagay sa timeline ninyo, sa page ninyo, sa group, or pwede nyo i-send sa email list ninyo para makakuha kayo ng mga tao mag-avail ng win-win offer na to in exchange for the testimonial. Okay? So, basahin ko na lang. So, I decided to do something insane today, sabi ko. My clients are paying me between 25K to 100K to do Facebook ads, but because I want to collect some brand new testimonials and case studies, I'm going to jump on a video call with the first 3 people who comment free coaching below. Okay, so kung napanood nyo na yung case study video natin na prospecting script, similar siya dito, okay? Humihingi tayo ng case studies in exchange for something free, okay? Which is yung free coaching nga natin or free trial or whatever ang gusto mong i-offer sa kanila with regards to Facebook ads. And I will personally help them with whatever they need when it comes to attracting customers online using Facebook advertising. Okay? So, itong part na to, this is optional. Okay? Pero kunyari, meron na kayong slight proof or meron na kayong social proof na nagawa before, pwede nyo ilagay ito. Okay? So, ito nilagay ko dito. One of my clients grew his business to 100K per month in just 30 days. I profitably managed millions of pesos in ad spend for me and my clients across different industries, and I grew my ads agency to 500K per month in less than 90 days without testimonials, audience, or portfolio, and any experience at all. So why am I sharing this with you? So that you could be sure that everything I share with you is 100% legit. So ito, social proof lang naman to. This is credibility, authority. So all I'm asking in exchange is to record a quick video testimonial for me after our call. Only if you get real value from the call, that is. That's it. So if you'd want to be those 3 lucky people, just comment free coaching and I will send you, I will message you to see if I can help with whatever you need right now. Okay? So, para lang siya yung case study prospecting script natin, no? Basically, pwede mo ring sabihin, yung 3 people na script natin, pwede rin. Okay? I'm looking for 3 people in exchange for a testimonial, ganun-ganun. I'm gonna help you with your Facebook ads. Okay? So, panoorin nyo na lang yung video na yung case study and yung 3 people strategy. So, pwede rin yun. Okay? Sa prospecting scripts. Ito, pwede rin. Ito, kumbaga, yung parang, kung gusto mo mag-build ng authority agad, credibility, and social proof in one post, pwede mo rin gawin to. Okay? So guys, it's up to you kung anong klaseng post ang gusto nyo ilagay. Basta, you're looking for 3 people, in exchange for a video testimonial, tutulungan ko kayo sa call, di ba? I'm gonna help you sa call, solve your problems. Or I'm gonna be offering free coaching or free trial with using Facebook ads. Okay? So, basically, yun na yun. Yun yung win-win offer. You're offering them free coaching, free consultation, free trial, kung ano man yung free, in exchange for a video testimonial or written testimonial, kaya siya win-win offer. Okay? So, ang gagawin mo lang, magpo-post ka ng ganitong klaseng post sa timeline mo, sa page mo, group, or email list. Right? So, once, kunyari, may nag-comment na nga, free coaching, nag-comment na sila dito sa post na to. So, ngayon, i-PM mo na sila. Like mo yung comment nila, mag-reply ka agad sa kanila, and mag-send ka agad ng PM. Tapos, pag nag-schedule sila ng coach ng pag nag-schedule na sila sa'yo for a call, during the coaching call, ito naman ang gagawin natin. Okay? So, kunyari, imagine niyo, kunyari, nag-schedule na sila ng call. 'Di ba? Nakausap niyo na sila sa PM, interesado sila dun sa free coaching mo or free trial. Tapos, yun nga, sinend mo sa kanila yung link, nag-book na sila, tapos ngayon, kausap mo na sila sa call. So, sa coaching call, ang gagawin mo lang, sobrang simple lang. Okay? Give them what they need the most. So, basically, how can I help you the most in 30 minutes? So, yun, tatanungin mo sa kanila during the call mismo. 30 minutes lang to, guys. So, paano ba kita matutulungan? Ano ba saan ka ba nahihirapan? Ano ba ang problema mo ngayon? Where do you need help? Di ba? Bakit mo kailangan yung tulong ko? How can I help you? So, yung kausap mo sa phone, malamang sasabihin na niya agad sa yung problem. Ramon, ganito kasi yung campaign namin. Ganito nangyari. Nagra-run na ako ng ads, pero ganito yung result namin, ano ba sa tingin mo pwede namin gawin? Or, nag-run na kami ng ads, pero nagbe-break even lang, ito yung problem namin, hindi namin convert, puro tanong lang, pero hindi nagiging buyers, okay? So, kung ano man yung sabihin nila sa inyo, now, during the call, let them tell you the problem, tapos you solve the specific problem they have. During the call, talagang tulungan mo sila. Give them advice, kumbaga, lahat ng kailangan nilang malaman, kumbaga, gawan mo rin sila ng step-by-step action plan para matulungan sila. Or kung gusto mo talaga, you can also share mo yung screen mo, share niya yung screen mo, tapos pakita nila yung campaign sila, tulungan mo na mismo sila sa call, di ba? Para ma-solve yung problem nila. Okay? So, after the call, you can also do this, optional lang to, is a bonus, you can also give them some surprise bonus that will make them more happy. Kasi tinulungan mo na sila sa phone, tapos at the end of the call, may surprise bonus ka pa, whether it's a free PDF guide, free training, or free whatever that helps them, that provides value to them and helps them solve their problem, na bonus lang naman, o kaya free ganito, free PDF file, may free document kang isasend sa kanila, whatever, kung ano man yung naisipan mo. The point ng bakit natin ginagawa yung free bonus na yun nga, para sobrang sila, excited sila, na ang dami nilang natutunan and naka-receive talaga sila ng value from you. And yun nga, mas maganda yung magiging testimonial nila sa inyo. Kasi nga, talagang they really enjoyed the time that they spent, na marami silang natutunan during the call, and natulungan mo talaga sila genuinely. Okay? So, the third part, so after the coaching call, the third part is asking for the testimonial. So, sobrang simple lang naman ito. Okay? So, just give them specific instructions on how to create the testimonials, whether video yan or written, di ba? So, bigay mo lang sila ng instructions kasi hindi naman natin gusto na parang random lang yung sabihin nila sa video, di ba? Gusto natin may structure yung testimonial nila para mas effective siya pag ginamit natin siya. Okay? So, obviously, during the call, hindi naman sila nakakuha ng tangible results, di ba? So, just ask for their honest feedback and experience with you. Kumbaga, kahit naman di mo naman sila natulungan kumita ng ganito, X amount of pesos, di ba? Kasi in-advisean mo lang naman sila sa call. Just ask for their honest feedback and experience working with you. Okay? Hindi kailangang si ganito kumita ng ganyan o kaya ito nakakuha siyang ganito X number of clients. Okay? Kumbaga, review lang siya, honest feedback, and the experience they had working with you. Okay? So, let me give you this structure below. So, pwede nyo sundan tong structure na to. So, pwede mong tanungin sa kanila to. Okay? So, before they actually record the testimonial or magsulat ng video testimonial, magsulat ng written testimonial, sabi mo sa kanila, sundan nila tong 4 questions na to. Okay? So, sa video, dapat sabihin nila, who are you and what you are doing. So, for example, pakilala sila, ano pangalan nila, tapos ano ba ang business nila, ano ginagawa nila. Okay? Number two, what was your situation before working with me? So, and what was your biggest problem? So, sa video, pwede lang sabihin, before nahirapan kami na sa campaign namin, hindi namin alam kung anong objective ang gamitin namin. 'Di ba? And yung biggest problem namin is since mali objective, hindi kami nakakuha ng customers. 'Di ba? So, number three, what was the experience working with me? So, after namin makipagtrabaho kay Ramon, during the call, actually, mas naging clear na for me yung gagawin. And sobrang galing ni Ramon dahil natulungan niya ako, bla bla bla, 'di ba? Sobrang friendly rin niya, madaling kausap, and natulungan niya ako naggawin ito, bla bla bla. Okay? So, what was the experience working with me? Yun. And finally, huwag niyo kalimutan to, ito maganda to. What would you say to anyone who is thinking of working with me? Okay? So sa dulo, tanong mo na lang sa kanila. So, kunyari, may kausap sila na prospect. Anong pwede nyo sabihin sa kanila para ma-convince sila na, na makipagtrabaho sa akin? Okay? So, what would you say to anyone who is thinking of working with you or with me? 'Di ba? So, sa dulo sabihin nila, okay, so if you are still on the fence, kunyari, ito, sinabi nila, if you're still on the fence, di pa kayo decided if gusto niyo makipagtrabaho kay Ramon, wag na kayo magdalawang isip pa kasi si Ramon, alam niya talaga yung ginagawa niya, matutulungan kanya na ma-improve ba yung Facebook ads niyo, makakuha kayo ng mas maraming customers and clients, etc. Okay? So that is what would you say to anyone who is thinking of working with me. Okay, so guys, syempre, iba-iba naman yung structures natin, pero ito na yung pinaka-basic. Alright? So, recap lang natin guys, no? So again, 5 testimonials in 5 days. Create a winning offer. So usually, ito yung free trial, free consultation or coaching sa phone. Okay, yun yung offer niyo in exchange for a testimonial. Okay, so magpo-post kayo ng ganitong prospecting post sa timeline ninyo, sa page ninyo, sa group, or sa email list. Then, once na meron mag-avail sa coaching call, just give them what they need the most. Tulungan mo silang ma-solve yung specific problem nila during the call. Alright? And lastly, once you've given value and helped them, ask for the testimonial using this structure below. Alright? So guys, hopefully marami kayo natutunan. Gamitin nyo na to para huwag kayong matakot na wala pa kayong mga testimonials. Kung gusto nyo magka-testimonials kayo kahit wala pa kayong social proof, nagsisimula pa lang kayo, this is the best strategy para magawa niyo yun. Alright? So if you have any questions, just post inside the group and I'll talk to you soon. Alright guys, so nagustuhan nyo ba yung strategy na to? So if you want to learn how to become a highly paid Facebook ads freelancer, I want to invite you to register for my free training. Ang tawag dito is How I Started a Six-Figure Work From Home Facebook Ads Freelance Business in Just 30 Days without any experience, portfolio, or credentials. So guys, click on the button below this video. Meron tayong link sa description and dito sa mismong comment section, nilagay ko dito yung link to register for my free training. So again guys, if you want to learn the step-by-step how to become a Facebook Ads freelancer, then register for that free training.